Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can block buyers from your listings, so let's get right into it. Now, to block your buyers on eBay, you just have to access this page right over here. Now, the link for this is ebay.com/BMGT/buyer block. Both B's are uppercase and then a question mark at the end, and you should arrive here. Alternatively, you can just go to this here customer service article and click this link, and it's going to take you to the same page. Now, how you would access this through eBay, I'm not exactly sure. I couldn't find the link myself. I tried through bids and offers. I tried through everything here. Might be in the settings for your account, so I just might be dumb. I just didn't find the route to this, but pretty much just go to blocking a buyer on eBay and click on the link, and that's going to take you here. And now once you're here, as you can see, you have this list right over here. And what you're going to need to do, just going to need to insert the username or email address. And for each user you want to block, you need to separate them by a comma. And then once you add them to the list and submit it, they're going to be blocked from bidding on your items. To unblock them, you literally just have to delete the username or email from this list. And the maximum amount of blocked usernames and blocked accounts is 5,000. As you can see, you can block up to 5,000 members, and that is pretty much it. Now you just need to review the members that you have blocked from your listings at least once a year and decide if they still need to be blocked. That's just good practice. However, they can be blocked indefinitely. I'll leave the block list management up to you. However, that is pretty much all there is to it. It is really easy. Again, not sure where you would be able to find this option on eBay. Might be in your account settings over here, but I'm not 100% sure. I just found that link, and that link is perfectly fine for doing this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.